Welcome to Laguna Drive in Fort Myers. Every great project starts with a precise plan. Here you can see our initial walkthrough during the measurement stage. The old structure was outdated and blocked this stunning waterfront view. Our goal was clear: transform this patio into a modern oasis. We focused on the details that matter. We implemented the picture view design, eliminating obstructive beams to open up the horizon. We used high-grade materials to ensure durability against the Florida elements. Look at the precision of these joints and the tension of the screen. This is what screen factory quality looks like. The final result exceeded expectations. The patio now feels twice as large, and the view is breathtaking. The homeowners are beyond happy with their new outdoor living space. If you are looking to upgrade your home, contact us for a free estimate.